video is going to be a little bit different. I just thought I was just basically getting ready for bed, but I had so many makeup brushes to wash. It's unbelievable. Like I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 different piles, including my sponges and all that stuff. So I just thought it would be a really good idea for me to film this video to show you guys how I clean my brushes, what my techniques are, and what products works for me, and how I differentiate what technique I need for every single brush. It's not a major science or anything. It's just sometimes if you don't know how to wash the brushes properly, don't get your makeup out properly, and that's when you realize your brushes you're using is causing some sort of problems to your skin. Could be acne, could be anything, could be allergic reaction to something, or could be anything. Like if your makeup brushes are really dirty, like this one, it's pretty dirty right now, and you're not washing them properly and leaving some product back in there, and you just go back and use it again, you never know what's gonna happen to your skin. So I thought it would be a really good idea for me to just film this video today, and I'm gonna try to do it in a different way, so hopefully this will work. Sorry about my attire. As I just said, I was just about to go to bed, but I thought I need to clean this. I need to wash all of my stuff before I do a makeup look tomorrow. So let's just film this video and show you guys how I do it. So hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. The rest of the video I'm gonna do it like from top angle, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, what products I'm using, or how I'm mixing everything. So stay tuned and I'll show you everything in a minute. Bye.
Hey guys, so I'm just gonna try to do the voiceover as best as I can because I'm having some technical issues with the camera I used to do the top angle. Anyway, let's just begin. So I've just divided my brushes into few different parts. So my face brushes, my eye brushes, and all that. So for my face brushes, I like to use my Sigma matte, which is right now showing you the pink color. So this matte has quite a few different textures, but each area has like a little marking on top showing it's the face brushes or eye brushes area or something. It's pretty self-explanatory and it's very straightforward, but this matte is super duper good for the face brushes because it really cleans the deep inside of the brushes, especially the dome brushes and very dense brushes. The other thing is I like to use a clear bowl to make my mixture because I want to see if my water is getting too dirty. I like to just throw that away and make a new mixture before I go back with rest of the brushes. That's why I like to have the clear one. For my sponges, I like to use my beauty blender soap. So you can use any soap, you don't have to use the beauty blender one, but I find it if I use the beauty blender, especially with the actual beauty blender, it cleans more nicely. For the brush mix, for the face brushes mix, I use my hand wash, which is any hand wash I use, and today I'm using Method one. And I also mix some coconut oil in my mixture when I create the mixture for the face brushes. Now it's extremely important not to put too much oil. For rest of the brushes like concealers and more like brushes which get used a lot, I'm going to use this new stuff. It's a Cool Goat Milk cleansing brush cleanser. I'm using this first time. So let's just begin. So I've made my mixture of hand wash, coconut oil, and water, and I'm just going to start cleaning my brushes. And to begin with, I'm using my stipple brushes because that's the one get used a lot for contouring and sometime for concealers and all that stuff. So I like to use them first. And then I'm gonna clean the rest of my brushes in the same mixture. All my face brushes, I'm not even going to touch my eye brushes yet. I'm only doing my face brushes. That include the contour brushes, powder brushes, foundation, any concealer brushes, all of that. And I'm sure you don't want to see me doing this in a slow motion because it did took me good an hour and a half to do all of that. I'm putting it in fast forward. After cleaning all the brushes in my mixture, I just take every single brush like separately and rinse with the pure like warm water, not too hot though, like lukewarm water, just to make sure there is no soap left in my brush and everything has came out completely and my brush is clean as I like. And I've just done that with all my face brushes. The next thing I like to do is, which is optional, I like to just put all my brushes on a clean paper towel, but before I do that I just like to dry them up a little bit as well, to get the shape back, because sometimes when you're cleaning your brush, your brush lose the shape at the actual shape of the brush. So this is what I like to do. For my more concealer brushes, which are more dome and dense, I'm using this cool brush cleanser, which is absolutely amazing. If you're looking for a dupe of a beauty blender soap, this could be the one. It's cheap, it's affordable, you can buy them from drugstore and it's super duper good. But make sure you get the goat milk one, because I heard the other one has too much oil and makes your brushes really oily. So but this really worked for me. It is amazing. I was so surprised like how quickly it was cleaning my concealer brushes. Now we are going to begin with the eye brushes. For eye brushes, I've used the same kind of mixture, but I haven't put any coconut oil in this mixture. And also I only dip my brush in the mixture a little bit and then I just go and rub it on the paper towel, and I do that process until my brush gets completely clean and there's nothing coming out of it. So it's pretty straightforward, and you don't have to rinse your brushes afterwards because there's not that much of soap in there, because all the soap will come out while you're doing this scrunching or cleaning process on the paper towel. But make sure you keep changing your paper towel when it's get too wet, because that means it's just full of soap now and you don't want to wash, like you don't want to put the soap in your other brushes. So you want to make sure you have a new one before you go with more brushes. It's like the way I had it last night. It was so many brushes, it was just unbelievable. I couldn't believe how many brushes I had. So it's, and I'm going to use the same mixture. Oh wait, so I had a few brushes which were much like it needed a little bit more cleaning, so I just went with the cool stuff, and as you can see how quickly it's cleaning my brushes and it's doing a very good job. So this is one of my favorite products right now for cleaning my brushes, because it's super affordable and it's super quick. And I'm going to use the same mixture, whatever is left from my brushes mixture, to clean my sponges. And that's about it. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Bye.